going?
Camping.
Wow.
Camping.
Excited. When Emily is excited.
And my two friends. What again? Hi, so cute.
I mean, Gabriela with, yeah.
With the chinelos.
Malapit na tayo.
Okay. Let me dance. You're okay. Okay, Mom. Okay.
Wait, Masara? I'm gonna place it here so that Papa will sees.
Yeah. The bag.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I mean, it's that part is in how it's done and how
So pretty.
what it sounds like. Only two songs connected. Three.
See?
Look at my eyes.
Yeah.
Look at this.
What's with your eyes?
It's turned this way.
And then?
Why is turned this way?
Look this way. See? This is the camera. This one.
Signal ka? Alawa, ito kami, madami kaming dala. Nandun sa ito lang.
Kasa naman yung motor eh.
Yung motor pa ba?
Bali guys, lakad kami for 10 minutes sa Tara. Up, 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 up. Up. Diyan ka, wag ka sa putek ha. Malalaglag tayo. Hop, paunahin natin ang... Sige, una. Dali. Ouch. Dali, you careful. There's so many ants.
Wow. Mama.
Hmm? Up.
Okay. Mama, let me swim.
Doon tayo magsiswim. Ayun si tita mo naglalakad oh. Over there. Up. Go up and up and up.
I got Mom.
Yeah, here we are.
I'm gonna
Can you get it?
Oh no, stuck.
Oh no. It's okay. Wow. Oh, you go first. You go first. Careful, watch your step. Careful. It's my fault. Okay, go. There. Dali, andyan na sila. Baka malaglag ka.
Oh no, I'm not okay.
Oh, wait for me.
Oh no.
Oo, halika na, hawak dito. Halika na, baka madulas ka.
You're right here.
MJ. Shh, dali. Good.
Oh no, there's a high today. Oh no, that's so much coconut.
What happened?
Mama, there's so much coconut.
Careful. Tali, wait. Yeah. Careful po. No, this way, go straight. No, this way. Here, you go first.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, ayusin mo yung lakad mo. Dito.
Mama, tayo, Mom.
Ba't ka naglalaro?
I'm going up.
Almost there.
What is that?
Dito na tayo.
Over here. Over here, Mom. This
Yeah.
one.
Yes, you're right. Dito na tayo.
Mama, I'm
Oops.
white.
Yes, uwi natin sila. Dito tayo sa gilid. Oh no. Yun, nandito na din.
Punta pa pwesto.
Nandyan po sa Ate MJ. Yeah. Guys. Oh. I see it's so big. Oh. Tali, ba't ka nandyan?
Mama is in the water.
Nilalagyan pa yan nila, oh.
Butterfly. A nice one.
Oh my god, doggy. Video
Oh.
this. I think it's a wolf.
See, Mom. I want to see only one.
Hindi naman siguro.
Only one see, Mommy. Only one.
After we put the tent, after we build the tent na, okay? Okay ba yon?
Mommy, no. It's not. Mommy, it's okay, Mom.
We have to see this lang. I have to look for this one. So, this is the triangle.
Mom, can you help them? Mom, wait,
It is so pretty here.
it's okay, Mom.
Look, may mini falls sila. Wow! Oops! Careful here. You have to be careful. Oops! This one, this way. Ay, meron pala dito. Oh! Wow! Oops! 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 Mamaya tayo magsiswim, anak. Ay, delikado yan, oh. Delikado pag wala kang kasama. Later, pag okay na si Ate Annie and Tita and everyone.
I come back.
Oh, you'll come back. Uy, Tali! Ay, bahala ka dyan. Bye-bye. Tali, huwag ka dyan. May mga isda dyan, oh. See? You put your shoes on. We have to eat.
Wala nang batali na mahaba dito.
Ito, may tali. Kuha ka na lang.
Okay na to dito.
1,100. Tali!
You should just told me that.
Mga... Tali! Tali! Yun o, coffee shop o. Ito ang kaganamat namin dito, guys. Maulan. Napapasok namin ang tapos. Parang ang linaw, wala ba? Araman, this is where it's number. Tali! Why? Ha? What? Why?
My friend's house.
My friends.
Hindi pwede sa likod. Nakatakin mo palikod. Isat yan may go. Paano? Pag ganon? Dun nga, ano sa ano? Oh.
Set up. Kuya, ingat ikaw dyan, kuya, ha? Ayan kay daddy. Yehey.
Kasi sa amoy ka. Masarap nga yun eh, sunog. Sarap kaya. Yung sinasabi niya sa ano eh.
Tali, baka matulali ka dito kay mama.
Abutang ko silang gusto lang ito. Sabi ko nung punta ko ito mo. Laki yung price din ako. Yung price na 200. Ano lang pala. Alam ko meron pa mas malaking ka. Parang yung mga night blade din na ito. Kaya nga kaya na di na mag sabihin mo kay Papa, hatakin yung ano, hatakin yung